Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade chocolate at home. To begin, you'll need a few key ingredients. Make sure you have high-quality cocoa butter, unsweetened cocoa powder, and your choice of sweetener, like powdered sugar or maple syrup. You'll also want a double boiler or a heat-proof bowl over a saucepan of simmering water, along with some molds or parchment paper for shaping your delicious creations. Now, let's get to the fun part. Gently melt about 100 grams of cocoa butter using your double boiler or microwave, being careful not to overheat it. Once melted, gradually whisk in approximately 50 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder until the mixture is smooth. Then, incorporate about 25 grams of your chosen sweetener, stirring until fully dissolved and combined. This forms your basic chocolate base. To enhance the flavor, you can add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or a pinch of salt to your chocolate mixture. For that professional, snappy texture and glossy appearance, tempering is key. Heat your chocolate to 115 degrees Fahrenheit, then cool it down to 82 degrees Fahrenheit while stirring constantly. This process helps stabilize the cocoa butter crystals, preventing bloom and ensuring a perfect bite. Finally, it's time to set your chocolate. Carefully pour the tempered chocolate into your chosen molds or spread it thinly onto parchment paper. Place it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes or until it's completely firm and easily releases from the molds. Once set, your homemade chocolate is ready to enjoy. Store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.